Good morning, everybody. This is Devin from Haas Auto West, and today we're going to take a look at a product that's an engine additive that was spun off from NASA, something that was designed to repair some kind of satellites, mechanical systems, and it's now become a product that's available to add to your engine. And this product is called TriboTex, Tribotex. And I've got a little package here they sent me. We're going to take a look at putting it in the crankcase along with the oil and see what immediate results we have or long-term results. And I'm just going to make this little video to help you guys know about this product and catch up with it. So here's some of the package contents and what it looked like when I got it out. This is the actual product itself. There are three versions of it, one for small engines, one for diesel engines. This is the original formula, which is designed for basically any engine that's a regular car engine, 4, 6, or 8 cylinder. Stuff's about $100, and it says it'll take about 500 miles to really take effect, but it says that it will last about 40,000 miles of your engine life. So this is supposed to stick to places that have been worn. My understanding of it was it's made of a lot of little tiny ceramic discs that are adhesive on one side. So we're going to go ahead and start up the engine and just put it in there. Okay, so we've got the engine started up. Just going to go ahead and drop this in with the oil. Thing I did notice was a slight shift in the sound of the RPMs right after putting it in. A little bit on the outside of the tube there. I'd like to drip down in later, so just taking it around. This engine was rebuilt at one point, and at the time we were in a little bit of a hurry. We never did change out the hydraulic lifters. So part of my hope with this product is that it will just help beef those up a little bit so they're not quite as clackety. Alright, so there we go with that. I bought this product about a year ago. I was a little hesitant to add something new and experiment with my daily driver car, but I don't know, something gave me the feeling that maybe every once in a while you do need to try something new. One detail that is important is that after you put it in, you're supposed to let the engine idle for 15 minutes. So I'm going to let it sit here and idle for 15 minutes before I turn it off to activate the technology in the TriboTex and see how this all works out. I'm just going to go ahead and put the crankcase back there. And I'm going to drive my car around for 500 miles and then make another video telling you about any changes that I saw. You can see I've just finished driving the car 500 miles. So we're going to get out here and we're going to take a listen to what the engine sounds like now after the TriboTex had about 500 miles.
My two fans are on. Things are running really smooth.
Just going to go ahead and drop this in with the oil. Just going to go ahead and drop this in with the oil.
So that's my video about this product. You can hit like down there and subscribe to the channel. I'll send you more information about Mopars and about Jeeps and whatever I'm working on. And I'll talk to you real soon.